Yes, transformations. We transform ourselves to transform people. Babusuafoɔ mɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu nyinaa. Meaning say as usual no Nyankopɔn adaroma obi biara ɛho ɛyɛ. Onyankopɔn adaroma me so me ho ɛyɛ paa. I am doing very well. And then every bɛbɛ sɛ me ne mo bɛdi nkɔmmɔ kakra. Ɛna ɛnɛ so ɛyɛ Mother's Day. Ɛno nti no mmaa mo wɔ ha nyinaa yɛ mo nyinaa happy Mother's Day. All of you guys are so special to us, and we do respect you. We adore you guys and we respect you. Mmaa mo wɔ ha so nyinaa no mo yerenom, mo maamenom, mo mambaanom yɛ mo nyinaa happy Mother's Day. No, friend, say, a man who here, said the Tiana and Ma who here pay. And Ma who here pa. And into a drew a mad that say, I say a day and Niji. And then I was a pet. Now I found with Shom. I know very well so Facebook or the other social media handles. I'll be who say, I'm on for a post my menom or my nominate all that. But the truth of the matter, they say, Mama yet only on social media. Okay? Mama yet only on social media. The way I use show social media, man for who say, you're my man. And I am manum, yerenum no. Yemfasa donan kasa. And chiro no mu say ye domo we am no kan obi ma me wa kura se a di odi kura no ye ne den a me kan wo bi o nyankopon to nsem ba bi a wo no onya bibi di kama ba won kai sa o ma me bi kura wo ba bi me so sa na o situation ti a ma ene nsesan na hunu se wo maame bi owo and nti so wo aseda bi anase ne adru ne yese ene ye Mother's Day a na wo kaya ma na gina so aye ogina dua bi na wo di akai ne bribia no kra ne say the way amaame for ebre ansa na yetimi anyina du ba bi a yedru no enya ade a yebetimi atua ho ka wie da. So what I mean is that we are eternally indebted to our parents, especially our mothers. And because today is Mother's Day, the emphasis will be on mothers. Okay? Mamenum is so special. They are so special, say, without them, no. Yankasana yasitene munkasene bekono. Bribiana mekani say as I see I was young, it look as if say all the sectors are very important that a boy mayetimi to no ye a boy did the wa abrabomuno Nina Yankopon that is a mansa. See Yankopon de bomuno Adie bia na yame aye no or they are share obofo bi nsa or no na hweso aya meta ka say Nyankopon administration no ho na nipa sua bi afiri and yes ye bi ahwe nti obeho na ye wo hene a ohene ne woni mpanyimfo a ono omubu man no se ba bi so omo practice democracy so obeho say your president no ebia na your prime minister bi ne other ministers cabinet ministers and all the other sectors are so be the down and until Nyankopon hihye yemu so no sa na tie nyame na agba ade bi anywhere no na fi ho ne baaye obi bia ni any proof to tell us say ade ba ko pe bi enye obi dia no na baaye ma me ku yakwa wahu bibi bia wasase we so say the bibi ameka no ye obi dia obi na aye nte wo Nyankopon ade bo mu so no ade bia yehu bia ayemframa ye home eye owie bia bonten bosome ensroma doti ane nam sui enua bibi bia no nyame na abo ene Nyankopon boye no so no the administration of that very thing no Nyankopon e de show binsa okay ndi eba ne say ensu a onyame na abo nsuo de ba ye wo bofo a ono na be nsuo so a ne dia ne say nsuo beto say ento no ono na heso ade a chia na awia pie ye wo bofo a ono na hwa wia so ibi no nyame na abo anajo emframa ye home asase kwa ye nam si say bia make e wo de wo woni sheda nti de make e si ye papa so wo ya kan ni a wonim say e wa kan kasa mu no ye fra asase we so say asase ya na den tin ye to no ya no because empayfo ni nim say asase no eye obatan okobro fo kasa mu so a ye fra asase we mother earth ana okọ sanskrit kasa mu a asase we ya fra say bumi mata same thing oba and nti the American be see say asase e na mesu impo no before say your ancestors no etu din say asasu we ye oba bi na beso. Okay? Enye no nko a any other sector nyankopon abobia no eyo nyame na aye na emum ode obi ato ano na beso. Nti asasu we oba na beso. Odi ano to nchen so a efa nimdie ho knowledge nimdie nyame na abo but ode obofo bi ato ano a ono na hwe nimdie so ono so ye oba in Sanskrit the friend Saraswati enya no nko a yedie eye fortune and prosperity any sika eno so ehwe oba nsa sa oba na ye friend Lakshmi I present the goddess of fortune and as a goddess of money. Nti where nipa ye be hia se ye be didi ye be nante asase we so di egina so ye nam so keke no e ye oba na hwe so. Okay? Enya no ho a nim die da ye tima metim tutu no maye se ye be ko suku se ye ya ohene ofia nyansa ye di be buman ade bia ye hia nim die ne ye timi de abuman yetimi di abobra eno so yo ba ene hweso ena se ya bre nyina no se be ye bedi ye ewo honamu ewo sikamu ewo nkoso mu no ene na obi bi ye hwehwe eno so oba ne hweso ene ti na ye di modest day ni ye kaka ye ho se obi bia na opeso otena sa aso besu na odidi na no ho tore na so mo dwono no omfa ni di ema oba obi bi owo asase we so a opeso nya nimdie na onfa nimdie mo ne bra no so onkan hu se nimdie oba na hweso ntino onfa nidie ema oba sanso na ye bre etwo wuoi bra ye bre a ehia sika wa abrabom. Okay, say ye pese ye tumpon ye hia success ye hia money ni nyina so ye oba di ye mfa nidie ema ma na wodi ni nyina to nchan a wa wo tie mi so wa wo hwa mi so memma wo yire mfida se biribi atwom na sa ya funu we na wodam for not less than 9 months. Even say I do 9 months in bona 7 months and 8 months wodam ya funu for some period na ebere kura so ye na wo fi ya funu ba abonten no edema basa o ma me fa mu ansampo na wutimi area ansa na wutimi anante ansa na wusia kasa no o ma me wa hebi enkura bi num na omo hwena no omo dwo so anyhow omo je omo na anyhow ma me for authority all this. There are so many women in town omo fe but omo man no for no mo no fu ni nyina ago so you look them, they are very beautiful but omo breast ni nyina are falling down and yes omo pe o your do bia na omo so ama omo ma e na omo ma wo kwan so omo man no mo no fu sa anti abana sa nti the American be seen say ye nyina wa wo hwe mi ne mi abeti hey we are all indebted to women and now we oba so a kai hu se we oba no samso na wo maame and e ma wo sa advantage ya nti wo so na we oba wo expect say nipa mfa ni die mo because na your Mother's Day and nti wo so we oba wo hwe me no bon kontwe ko he wachi na hu se wo maame e wo ho na wo maame so eye bi ma obi ti osayi. In fact, so most of the time the way some of us treat him ma, you know, at times and I have been pay. Me as a person, I have serious respect for women. Serious respect for women. I am a ding pass even or back. I am a bonnet. They might be passing everything I can. It's very difficult for me to say everything I can because I am whom baby I say or yami mommy. That's why I say it's all in Christian consciousness, you know. Ofro baby mother. Apart from we oba bia no wo frɛ no mother and nti wo kɔ Christian consciousness ma oba bia wo bia ne din no mother na sha ase because oba eye mother apart from maame wo yere pɛ na wo mfrɛ ne mother ndi saa ni die na ene ya pa ma ntsan saa ni die na ye de ma emma enne ye maame no mane no se betimi a enka mo me enkoso na ye fa saa ni die ne ye den emma bribia me ba je no video ya na wa like video no betimi na wa share say how na betimi a share na wa share apen so wona mfo betimi invite invite them. Today we have something we're going to talk about where they are prelims so we are the hurry and pray. I have something that I want us to talk about until you betimi invite your friends betimi share video that's okay betimi like it, it's fine. So like I'm saying, you know, and need your net obi ade mane maame and to go social media no obi ade maame picture to her or be a happy Mother's Day to you mom and all that. Moment continue from today. We shouldn't stop today. We should continue because about we here see in the tradition that I belongs to. You will be wife and say Banashra Madama. Now Banashra Madama and say ye war when them DA you want to chemu mako and 9 you will 3 you want sa you will your phone and 19 okay and if you want them DA ya chemu and 9 Samson and society has been divided into 4 parts okay they make a try and follow but you say the human DA has been divided into 4 the head the arms the stomach and then the legs. Science and society no so Nyankopon are divided into 4. And into your T and no and a guide the whole nipadua nyina. Nduma ho se obi ti enya adwuma so obi adwene enya adwuma. Sa honam de ontimun directed man nya ade bia man nya fruitful. So when your head is not arranged properly, no, this is honam de bit because you control the body with the head. And in society, a young chrophobia from say Brahmanes and the teachers in Crawford moon a big guide to society. I bet your society they could obey the onion. They are considered to be the head of the society. You're from Brahmanes, a software, and as a teacher for or moon a church like wine Brahmanes. And if you are one DA, you were answer. Na dia ba kwa ensa we yama nipadua ne se ensa no ebo honam dua no ho ban ene nto obi kura tu dua bi na odi bo ti a obo na wo de wonsa na wo de beje obo so obi to bo na eba na wo de wonsa eba beje the theory say ensa no was created to give protection to the body. So in society no omo anyankopon abo omo say omo de ne say they should give protection and administration to society no ye from Kshatriyas and I say administrators. Anna, obey a woman de Iswa, ye were your funua, ye did say a horn of the Kogu, Natibia digest, I'm a honum your anya amoding. So what it means is say, your fruno, Najumane say, a be feedy hunem diano, no hunem de Namoding at me operating. Anna, ye nine, I mean, to society muswa. Omo ye the stomach of society no ye from vasias e yo omo ye business people omo ye kuafo omo ye mwa sa nkrofo no ye from the mercantile class and as a vasias ana honem dia die twatokra no ye 9 ye lesson no eno the head ye adwuma nkasa na honem dia na timi aye den aye aboa ye ntin honan no it carries the body anywhere. Obosoko baby ya actually no and nine the bre ntubo so when antia obodo so abenan na ya be ya because the legs are considered to be the labor for the body. To the society muswa omo ye nine no ye from the labor class omo de say omo boy ya adwuma e support the other 3 branches no. Na edru baby a ye won krof ana ye wo another social order bi so a ye frɛ enkrofo bi num say ye wo brahmachari for brahmachari is a student class afi na wo school a wo sua de wonye masem we celebrate what trans ya on fa ho nka o ba kopem se obenya 25 years a wosua de awie no that the time a obeware from 25 years up to best 50 years no what na ware mu a ewo manyina awie so from 50 years to 75 years no it is considered say that time no so obenya 100 years mpa na wo ye awu nti no as I say what de honam akono nyina eto wona mo wani ko nya mesom so yi so when you 75 years it means say you are very close to your grave and you know our ceremony no ma bia na betimi I keep bandage in the material world and obetimi a drop all those things and focus fully on God and into here all these four social order no brahmachari student life grihasta aware household life and vanaprastha retired life and sannyasi no all these four ni no first student class no nyina omo tenase without sex on bedru retired so vanaprastha so they live without sex and on ba sannyasi time omo ye close to God omo so move as we so don't sex so it is only within the household life no and sex is allowed and they do be a student class for and retired class for and renounce order for na omo kase omo de ye invite home come ma ho we don't go close to women so ye clean ye pure and the masters will tell you say before you can become a student of brahmachari before you can become a vanaprastha and as a sannyasi no you have to go through the womb of a woman so which means say the household group no omo very important omo holding the BBA because without them no even we will not even have children for them to even go through the student life so Grihasta ashram baby a yetimi esia na enkura fi ho ba ye continue at the boss no such people are so important and one of them na your bar and ye celebrity obande and until women are so important the importance of women no can never be explained and man here to the point say omu here and it oba bia wo life mu a eso wo de anidi e ma no sanso na wo ma me owo wo hwe na wo yire mfini da Kevin et say akwaba but modern say wo ma me owo wo so tiase a me wani na you responsible to her because it is not easy for you to give birth to somebody now money pani yin say wo ma me mpo wo wan hwe wo mpa still now we are indebted to her just for the fact say wo da ni yem for 9 months and so now ba sa so ge so the mesre and dey ma wo dey ma dey yen hwe say the way you treat your yerenom the way you treat your maamenom and then ma o motwa ehunahia no yen continue from today na yen hwe dey duru ochina ekwa o maame nte wo nka bio kopem say next year ebedu Mother's Day eba no sa de a na wan kasa no bo nye a responsible son or daughter the yen na yemi yani na yemo modern say yebetimi aboa yen ho na ene dem pese ye discuss kakra ne say menim na nsem what say Madagascar for omanya aduro bi mo heba medicine bi and they are chain amanfo bi sending over to our social media and one guy be a video bi also Madagascar ho and according to ono or say o tasty aduro bi a neem tree only again any onim the way neem tree here and into tasty a neem tree nothing else so I was telling some people say mobile can say time COVID di esha asia na enya nkwa ni mu bia no I came over here and I was telling you guys there was some process bi wa wo ya protect you prevent you from you getting it na se mpo se wunya COVID ni bi na se wuya sa process na you can be cured. I remember very well say na man for bi num kura ke kan say ma sa tem de bi ni no ma bi ana emfata but God being so good, you know, at least country be almost still now no more GDA Africa no more no. Or man say a be before yen so ye betimi aye bibi e de aboa. Now I'm telling you say obekaya that me chemo sade because say obepe neem tree. Obepe popo. Obepe acacia. Na wo de ginger aka ho. Wo wi afa lime and black pepper to so. na no na wonno awie a wobetimi na wodi apunu wodi punu wie a na wanom bi wodi ade a mekan se Ghana mpanyimfo pa omonye sa concussion we na omomfa nko ne guchi ho na omontra sa omonfo omonye ade ni bi no ye ma omo opunu na omanum bi se ebedu 1 week se omo ho nto omo a you see ade ba ko say Africa how ye ni bibi bia we don't have anything but we have natural things ye ga say ye be mobile phones a ye ndimu nye ye ga say ye be laptop a Africa ye ndimu nye ye ga say ye be good cars Africa ye ndimu nye say ye be kwan papa Africa ye ndimu nye enoma bia na enye natural no Africans ye nya ade wom because ye ni good leaders a omutumi kika noma bom nemu ma ade a ye ya ade wom pa ne say ye won natural resource and into the we are singing open baby omuko ye pa e wa Africa Ghana we are singing open baby omu palm oil palm nut good pa na ubenya wa Africa we are singing open baby omu cashew pa na ubenya wa Africa we are singing open baby omu gold ye pa na ubenya wa Africa baby manganese wo baby diamond wo baby bauxite wo papa ni nyina no ubenya wa Africa so it means say all the natural resources ni na no o papa na Africa na wo enunti ade bia na ye natural say aduro medicine o papa e wo mu a Africa ha na wo tienie say wo pe aduro papa Africa ha na wo a ye natural a ye ni a chiensunsanso bia enunti ye na ye Africans no a ye ntimi nya mobile phone ka ye ntimi nya kwan papa ye ntimi nya ade bia papa bia na ya artificial bia ye ntimi nya na nyankopon so ma ye ade a ye natural to say aduro ni all those things no denti and ye take advantage so pe diane papa ba bia wo dua diane a etimu fifiri yi ahodi wo mu a Africa ha timba papa Africa ha the American say natural things abrofo ye ntimi fa ye ho nto omo artificial no mu a because bia na ye mbogwa ye ho say ye beye say make ka ye ntimi nya papa bi ye pe mobile phone bia ye ntimi nya papa bi ye pe all these things bia ye ntimi nya papa I am telling you say natural resource yakopon dia dom ye no yen ene edimu kan yedimu tintimban nti se yesi ye paduru a nka Africa ha na duro but the African leader no agoro ho saama the westerners no omukuro mo konsei nti ade o meka no betie time na westerners no omumfo maduro ema Africa ha no are you telling me say na tete no mpanyimfo na omuntimi enya aduru ana some years back obanyense na okwa afuom na awo kana obetimi awo kwam na obi anka no ho no de ne ba na ba fie ono be wo no ba na ma chira de aba obetwa atwa kwa na furuma e de na firi nwiem ho aba fie wa aba na obi anka no ho na kwasi broni e ma Africa ha kwasi broni obanyense a gese okwadun so gu adiem na ya de bibia tum ya say pregnancy test tube o de tum ya say ya show until wanyense some few years back our ancestors oba wonyense acha 1 week pe ohwewani ase pa o so ba we onyem na wankasa ne ba wonyem unim sa wonyem that is the powerful natural pregnancy test tube what did I make no me say even up to the ko yemkuru ase na wona mami bi nete wonyem 1 week pe just 1 week pe ohwewani ase pa obeka twese wonyem hwe me se na computer bi amayo so obanyem even me ensa obanyem entafo mienu na ye je na wo na owo na baako ba ni oje na wo ni se akra ne baako mienu ka ho obetwen amoma bansa enso na on fast kana bi anto na buzu mu se wonyem tafo na so wonyem ntai na sa the American show say Say come medicine. Young Africans na ye di kan. Because we have the natural things. Adie be natural bi ani ya wo. Oba Africa ha ye wi anu kura ebo anu kura mpo no. Anu kura na monfo ni bere. Nti the American say, enu ana me hwe ba bi a wo hwe a positive cases na e ko na ehu. Se say abro 4,000. Ebo 4,000. Huh? Ah, so okay. Yeah, omo mo recover na, rate na. E share nya so encouraging. Enye so encouraging. Na yete ha. Na yesi ye twen say abanfo bi nya vaccine emfamra. Ah, ye nim pefe say country bia so ya yeche. Getting a vaccine is easy. Now when you vaccine no komunya, they will first take care of their citizens and sana yan yet na benefit no. Dey ntina ya yete ha no yentimi nya bibia. O kana amanfo abie ne se bia o ka se obi anko nwirem na nko bubudua na onwe. Me pa dwene sa na America. The American say Ghana ha no ye wo mpanyfo a FD a o na be bibia mu. Nti ampa say omo wo Ghana for at heart. No mpese yentimi nya aduro bi a betim dia boa. Omo be boa herbal medicine form matimi nya aduro be boa. But it look as if say they are not concerned about the health state ye namu no. And nti kura say so obi timi nya aduro bi na say aduro no e betimi aboa pa ye beke ka ho nsemsem sa say be ya amanfo enko ho. Nti ye ya kwen say e aburo na say ye bayi na den a. Say pe ifo me kan nyina menim pepe say mo yankura na wo mkura ase no na mo ma me de bentoa aduro gum e de samo. That time WHO ben the catch o say obetimi de bentoa ko sa obi. Ma mo hwe no ha mo nyam mo na be 30 years no mumu ahe na betimi kan kire me say mo nkura bam yan sam wa kura ase da. E wo mu a bo ze no wo fo ya chako. Ana papa na mama afa ginger ne pepper no ne bra pepper o keka bo twia na wa so ne so. O se bra o koto ne ye de sawa o ko jawo na wie ye na apart from there going na you okay. So what I'm saying is that Africa, we have natural things. The about drew Africa and the world drew. Because you was a see and you're free. Africa, you be a profile break. Open to papa, Africa had a walk. Open from papa, Africa had a walk. Ya papa, Africa had a walk. I did be a natural piano. Africa had a walk. And into the yes. Baby ya nya ade wo na ye mfa ye ni nkokira brofo na mo mayen na de yan ye wo bi no ade nti na ye nne ye ni dendia. See there how many say here edru ba bi ana mabomabu. To be honest with you enra you me hu video bi I Dubai for video bi obi aye so wo hwe around 1960s. Now Dubai a complete desert. Me say Dubai around 1960 now a complete desert and be any ho. And so ene ukokuro no mu a hot is a heaven on earth. And you know mo interview omo he no. No say now say America for 8 million, why not us? So America for a school papa, why not us? America for a good health system, why not us? No, city or say me, I want my people to enjoy it now, not 20 years to come. Make test as I'm not benefiting this way me. Or say now, I want them to have good education now. I want them to have good health care now. I want them to enjoy life now, not 20 years time. I'm the hey, say Africa for your penny for betting yet tenacity. No, my being say ya, and cow bro fu we no be pay a chow. Omo di omunyan san na beti chire yan to the point saving ya natural resources no po. Omo ba no omo the best 90% the core, omo 10% the pen yen dia. The whole video na make the buy video you must say I chino mbenya oil. To munya oil na the panyin se share. Sa oil we no me be sesa kuri. E na mpa. O matimi sesa kuro no a. Ukomu a. Bibi o mu bia ka ngeni pa na yeye. Ba na yem panyin fo na te ha. A mo so kwa no o mako suku kura sesa ambo fa make ayo. O mako suku America no ne UK ni Europe ba bia o mako suku o mo tete brofo. Ba se ye di ni panim. Now you're timidity your work. Oh no, using what you have to get what you want and what you need, you know. You need it. You need it. To the point say yankas ya be through. Ghana how come crassy a man for Abia on feel okay. I said when you fever when you area bia or call me no bubu nuabi or the besidia so no one no. Ni pa yes I when they bet me kind. Baby. And until say see ya cause situation we mu a obi bia ho kire no den ti na yemfa ye nansi fam say fa e bia na total drugs no ye nhede ni sa amfidie ebetim di aye ba yankasa say yankasa ye wa bibiduru say amen scientific for wa duru a abaya ma ho kwan mo ton wokrum all those are saying herbal medicine a woga na ha abaya ma kwan so mo ton nya ge say abangi tum say etimi ya adwuma Didn't and as a idea be a say, Yantimi must uncle for be and find no man bubon kikanum. Nayan got testing her. Nayan got testing herself. And po, yes, I'm scientific for A B as will be our diabetes are omutimi a year drew not do it to Moyentin, LD4, I get to some pa, obetimi atom cell drew. And yan unqua, a be another medical health center, so local abaya ja to so muso betimi aton mandro e means e bo ogide wo mu say o mutimi adru manipa no den tire ya de we aba no kwa na mu mpese nkofo no betena se na o makeka adru dia bom is there any agenda bi say e bia meken ya mpese obi bia adru beba na ye ntrate na ho saa anti kina bi no obi nya verse in the bar na o say okay me the verse na ma munti no mo so mo mfa ma ajapa de we be share na mu me bi o ma me ntiase I can't really get it. Me say I cannot really get it. Says I'm paying for instance, our president and your vice and all the ministers, you know, I know very well, say, Omon kura brimuno, Omo mamenum eya bibi draw the momu mongu. Mini bar because your president is over 70 years, and 7 years ago in Ghana, no, now bibi drew hopa. Your vice when Sanson I call the opposition party and Mahama all the other people no omunyina so yempanyimfo omunim say omunkura birem no at least they saw say local medications ayadwuma na me no kan you will so many herbal clinics abana ja to say yes ombetumi ayadwuma so abana jo omutum say yes omutum keka doses in the bubom na omutum say ade nti na we yesi no yenka say you see we are bringing all those guys together na yenka nchira mo say the way amunim haban no monkika no momuni yemese betimi anya aduro bi e dia saade we ya yes we are still waiting for the WHO to bring their own vaccine but locally no yentimo ntane am pepe bi say ye saade na ana ya WHO for no onbeku ya o ma no be ye no media I can't really get it and in there yes Madagascar for omo ni biase they are in the world they didn't know manga say menyo local medication omo yusu according to us no one single person emu ho omo omunya ya de nyina almost obi bia ho ato because say omo yusu sa omo tonic no they didn't na yentimi bibisa like I'm telling you guy now here video from Madagascar was say o test here no o ye Ghana ni na ade ane de onim say e nim tree na me so be kaya when I started giving you guys some direction about COVID, then I bet me the aya, obet me I gave you this neem tree, pawpaw, acacia, now the ginger account, obet me all the black pepper and a lime, no the goose, no one, a yesia, cover whenever punu we are, Jaribina numbi. It works like magic. I have a droby and yet magical. Name a habamuno, a honor, I had a ewo. If I made a meno, I am very hot. At times, I feel very sad. But we are now, you are still an African, you are a black man, and we are proud of our race. There's no two ways about it. But the way I to know man, ayana ahomete. The way I to know man, ahomete. You see? So media they make up a see and say, me name's a painful metia the yakan yahu. Already no, there was some herbal centers beer. I buy ajatum say, or more the permit to operate. Huh? They have the permit to operate because you want to say many of them who are doing be FDA for ajatum say, some are doing me at my advert with TV so you know yet. So it means that abandoning him say they have some ability when it comes to herbal medicine. The day in Tinas I had your yabano. Aban enkasa ankrofo no moano. Se mo monka mo mum na mon try se mo betimi anya aduro bi a ye betimi e de asasa ya de we ya. And Obi can say the trick is simple. If they allow local herbal treatment, they will not get money from WHO. And the minimum you na minimum. I'm smart also, but some of say at times, you have to be very diplomatic, But then the credit say, question the day and I'm money can get some of these hospitals na too. So even though omoye herbal clinics, by abanya dia to man, ya mom certifications o mo betimi ya duro atom. A omoye duro a e ba abonte ma amanfo eto enom. Am enkum obi a aban so nka say all those medications in enyo. FDA for satisfy omo. Say mo betimi ya den atom say duro. Today ntine ya de bi aba. Na ya de that's the first time I see obi an share ne fare by. Dey ntine ta ankrofo na ye wogidi wo mu say omutumi ya duro a ba ya mo ka say omo embi omo clinic nton aduro no. Ye mo omo kwan say omo nya say aduro no. Ghana ha doctor say wo ha nyina yes. Yes omo na mo ye front line workers omo ye adwuma. Dr. Ben at Ghana house wo ye aduro. Dr. Ben and Otegana also no yadru. And a nurse ni Ben organ also yadru. Ye can omo say idea a herbal doctors in say idea. Tiramikani. So we call some of these army clinic name meaning di no do dosum o call mo ha. Omunro no mo na prepare omunro. No mo di am one ma ho ato. O call hospital doctor for ni your say so bi tie na ya man alabin na ye o kema buri ya bansa say yes o mu gba adwuma de but say dey need ye pa mo say de a enka ye herbal doctors no and say dey need ye mo me nka the fake ones so me ka o mu aban age o mo tum say yes o mu tum ye aduro e ma na say de a aban mo certification o mo de ye adwuma sa nkrofo no o mu na o mu say de. How many times na man for de o mo ya de akoni na hospital enko. But local medication, it happens all the time. So what it means is that you can say ayaresa haban mu wo haban ni nubuna ni duabena ni hini no enumu na ayaresa na wo anything aban already you have given certification to some people to sell their local medication. They inti na aban makwan na amanfo enye situation na aba no say see you can say me I can't go and bring any medication but aban get to myself. Okay, Ghana for nyina na monim herbal medicine mo association ho monim nkrofo ni bi na mo tena se na mo try say mo betimi anya aduro bi betimi akon ya yourself mo just a month pe na ha de o do pa ma ban enyentum no mo only 1 month pe say mo nko na mo try na mo develop bi from the herbs na ha de within a month pe ye benya aduro betimi cure sa COVID-19 no yen ka say mo ye ya mo ka say wetimi cure na pe na ya jatum Monfan kosa ni Gucci woni all those places na you see you say you certify you do am you mo ko check no mon ko check na mo ha dey say bibia you okay then start giving to people what I say because I ahomete say ya ti o man mu ya car ye ntimi nye plane ye ntimi nye mobile phone ye ntimi nye car kwan papa boy ye ntimi nye because ye car kwan acha 2 years pe na ni nyina na tutu Oko aban enomomu a even tans mpa ya to no acha be say eyiye na ni nyina tutu oba kwa gwada fon ye wo cycle ho no cycle gwada fon no office won Ghana post office wo e wo cycle ha go there. Correctors or moto ye and this 6 months. Ni na tutu. And the Ghana hand ye ni bibia ye. Name oba drum dia. Your natural stuff no ha. Dey into the yentimi kan nipa mum na yanye. E na awerho. No krom nim say awerho. Awerho pa na e ha me say me kan mpo na already no. Ye ni any herbal doctor bia na abayama no certification or the year adwuma. Okay, a different thing. Already we have people in the system. Huh? We have people in the system. Herbal medicine for no. They are already operating. They are operating in Ghana here. I in say so many herbal clinics are. Abaya mo krata say obetimi ya adwuma, obetimi ya adwuma mankofo no. The nyese bi omo ye fake omo che ba bi o. They are in the system. They are working. The government knows. Omo nru a omo ye no. Ye ho advert for TV and radio so I can say adi when FDA for agiatum. It means the government knows that these people have the ability to create some medication for some of these ailments. So why is it that the government is not engaging them? This time around, why not? Yeah, me say hospital pa. No, me call that. I will not go. Say me catch you say ubenya. Ebi obanya accident bi na mo je tu a me slow my yam fa hospital dentem. Huh? Ebi obanya emergency bi a yam fa hospital. Yes, okay. But say what to one bi a kaka bi a yo say ebi o na bi yo ya ebi obanya also bi a me slow try and get local medication o ho beton them. Because even no no kwa na abrofo no ayo mo ye no. Ayo mo nya free he. Enye nuanu na mo free. So yes, like I'm saying, at times you know, oh had an emergency be about take care be ko nya accident na obi dey twa, see you trying all those things na yes, go to hospital. But so person who nya apomudin a be pa wo concentrate on local medication. Na nya duro bia na abenu mo. O be pa de o magi atum aban crofo agi atum say every for since and duro we adu papa. Now benya bribia and be all the time. About prevent you from getting all this kind of baby abu and then diabetes nkwa, cancer nkwa, prostate issues nkwa. Ya get anything na chemicals nkwa. And into you be another chemicals that be able no go mo problem. Me kaida me call hospital. I don't remember. Me kai say let me I'm the number class 4 to class 6. And I mean measles. I'm the class 4. And I'm a kind of movie village. Oh, I remember very well. And I'm uncle and offer or a graphic corporation for a Morina manager. The mechanic maybe bears a 6 no buy or ah, neither Mamma and Yarisa, number class 4 those days. Didn't my embre. I know find a tiny motor no so. I know they make call hospital. And I want a penny. And no pen I make Kaiser bet my hospital send me yare. From that time, maybe we hospital be able to die. So tell me we are never be obedient and alcohol. Because maybe if I be do any agro. I try, I eat well, I exercise, I sleep well, I don't stress myself, and I make sure say, men case me yare. I be draw ten biano will be I have my car urine pills with me. My fat, no my nom. The biano wedding. I be draw and no money yard sawo. So you be our India da. Or you be our China da. You know say you can say a draw. Say we as you can say a draw what do you better again? You can say a medicine. Oba India ni, oba China ni. Na ka say India because they depend so much on their local medications. Even see a hugging, you know, it is really painful. But you know, one hour you know, you don't have the chance to do it. I know more chance so they won't do it. But at times, I won't blame you. Hey, so what I hear movies are. What I hear movies are. Over here, cabal be, almost baby, mafia be. Na ya be kan say wo no koya ade wa koye we ya ye be chuba ye be kun ye no ma ane ndi pa no ni pepe sa ade we ni nye ba na do person obo na yire ne ma ho banti e na oye so we movies are sit down analyze obo say no na ekoso abrabo mu no obo say na kaba bi so mafia bi omote ba bi na ya beka che say se wan koye sa adi we say wo do yere no ma koye se wan koye pa no ye be kidnap wo yere no ma akose ba bi enam so wo do mo nti no and now be say I'm paying for look as if say there's some serious cabal be a shisha baby some mafia be a yeni mu a omukura omu bodiem say wonnim no anye wo ye be you say so wonnim no anye say be you say and omunim ade ne perfect but they will not do it ade ne perfect but they won't do it so wo dwe ho a wonti ase so wo obi a tutu kan kakra na wo he ba bi de we amanfo ba ye omukuro na Ghana ha de we atie wa ha ahomete to the point say ordinary bibiduru a ewo Ghana ha already na ban man krofo enkrata say mo betumi aye bibiduru atom if say yenim say mo ya ade mo nye already you work like so many Ghana ha okoba bia obehu herbal clinic wo radio so say that mo ya advert ani awu nyina say oh this has been sanctioned by FDA so it means that FDA for when them krofo we no they have the ability to generate some medication from some of this herbal here. They ain't na mon man for kwan mon but together say find some cure for this COVID-19. Mom 1 month, I mean bare 1 week up to a month. Na ha de. You know how de. I know people omonya gonorrhea. Ombe go hospital be num enkoda. Obi oba house here, Jana. Manya gonorrhea be say 5 years. Ampa wo mu abu than be ma mu free nsuo. Ojo sa na mo je ba wa num nuro. Oba ye na apɛ me se ko pɛ palm wine bra me. First one no palm wine, okay? So when mo bi o gonorrhea tie. We free bone to ma me nkyerɛw. Because na me ma ba mo sora mo ntra fa ko mo di make sa ze nkraman. Sabi, sa di ade nko na ma wo za. Sa gonorrhea na sha sia na want me ankiw a ebedu ba bi na beda no prostate issues na afa yade nko na ko nya prostate cancer. Woni mo bi a owo gonorrhea tie. O de ko so to haja kokko ma sa to pa ye kokko ne yelo ni bi. O be fa. Se do te na ho tie. So me chiro ba de ko ye na ha de. So woni mo bi a owo gonorrhea na ha de. Africa me say you are do no. De nti ne yenyusu. Hey, I am telling you. Enyan njo. Me say I am telling you say ka say nuro say abibiduru a some of us ye sua ayenim. Aye aduma. I'm telling you. Me say when mo bi a owo gono, you say wanya gonorrhea waya na enkwa. Just listen to what I'm saying. Kwana kwa de, me ma guess 1 week pe na ha de. E betu ase, and go hospital na ya wo pa ne, na ya ma to pa yes ayelo and white to be fa. Still na no do so na obi no mu yo ya. When mo bi owo gonorrhea tie. Gonorrhea ya Obama mutingu pie nsuo. I don't know how it is because binya me da. But mo see yasin adi because aso so. Because wo dwon so na emu pai na wo kam. Na wo kam. Ebi ade de obi so ye pa na mo just na mo je ba. Tie. Obi a owo gono a enko. Wano numra ye den enko ati e simple way e herbal medicine na me kire wo no. Me ga ze ko ye koton. Na abia beka say wo ye koton de say FDA bam wa wo yare na wo kwotete wa ba na wo ya FDA bia di meche mo say me am to the CA say me so na panama kofa nim na yi me de akasi aka ho me de pawpaw me de ginger me de black pepper na me de lime agusu na me de punu me de ma FDA beka tell me say ma me punu because say me punu nya because omo nyuntu no hwe na ba de o ade by force say ma me punu ti de me chire tie so woni mo bi o gonorrhea why ya enkwa what they make just go and do it and see me can be say Africa you will nuro habana tell mo sheni nyina ye nuro nko a me say ya de we buy e COVID-19 buy ohun amanfo a mama omo recommendation e wa afidie so keke e wa phone so omo buru be 30 many of them transformation members ankasa omo be for daddy ya my test positive o yes maintenance fee because hospital when I am maintenance fee na me say maintenance fee no aduro be na normal aduro bi no wa wonom I'm just be in the house, take care of yourself, drink more water, exercise, and all that. Aduru bi anka ho. Until someone say be wa come na so me dey na won do me hu me ye dia. Then they will do what? They will come and send ambulance to come and pick you. Ni ban fa bia be say wo area be so be me USA. Me say, Mr. President, me pato member we get the number na friend ka command carry urine pills, man carry urine liquid ni bi. Na ka say every 4 hours bia no on fa ginger me ma no ehwan ho no on ho keke na efini nyina mfiri ho on fa ginger kakra be say every 3 to 4 hours no on fa ntu nanum na onwe owiwi a onum so I am telling you say almost so many COVID-19 ni bi with only this medication actually 1 week per the person is okay almost test ya almost so negative tire me kanu anya magic boy aduro see the theory say aduro our natural things in aduro our natural things in me say amanfo a omoye members a omoye ade bi wo UK omoye bi wo Holland I mean sister doctors we ha dey make wonim ye member ba ko USA ye pani o ha onim amanfo omoye member ko de o ifam say o UK one na yere omamienu ana na ba na yere omoye fo na wo fie o ana omo nyina anya remember almost send the do kokomo less than a week they are okay enye bibia o enye WHO for na aka na emu ahodi wom when they took it there in the house so one number that other way because even the hospital you can't even go there because okoba space be any okabeda when you go to the hospital no there's no space for you to sleep they say tenafie na yade de so na wuntumi humi ye na wo choki up but that's the time you call the ambulance. We recommend this thing for them within 1 week. They are fine. They are okay. And you know, FDA for the Amukro to me, yes, I bet you no more. Omajuma way okay. Because Oma was a man to for Musudia. Obibia will run for Chibian or Cotte Poison, on the Baby Ako. What I say? And the as a Malaya Juma, because baby I'm Malaya Jumano, maybe Uncle see. The American say FDA for them. I buy for a man to her. And you'll be able to work of it. I have be a poison, so understand that. Or could tell her way, have we know more than go at no home. And Kamon will become Crofosa. So it is good that the FDA must be operational. Name where so munya love say, if I say a boy a minor. And it is a BB, and just of invention beer. No one the woman the as support to the partner abagi hini or money beggars film. Can you just imagine say some Madagascar for your market? So Mutimu Mia when no more Casafa who you know Mutimunis out of reach for them, and see any year. Nay, I get to say, ah, where you papa. Ubon Sika Lumina. And I, Mr. President, I can say, very true. The Rock in USA is about 10 people that have been okay. Yes, about 10 people in the US alone. Oman call hospital da ya go mo pani bia recommendation dey mo and mo hu nyina to mo did they na make tell me say obi timunya and wadru den ti na won timun obi paka tell me say obi timunya and wadru yes WHO for anyim to mu and na e bia FDA for anyim to mu but I'm telling you say ahmode no aduro no e wo wiem ho so the government should give some people the authority keke say mo hwehwem na ba de give them a week to 1 month. They will bring medication out a bit in your cure. So COVID-19 no. Other before other in there the high. Yentimunya car, Yentimunya mobile phone, Yentimunya no papa. Are we saying I have found a way in future here? We don't know how to accept it. Yeah, remember I gonna hold on no. On the case where I'm boy voice to Dubai. Who tie the voice note na ontimi bon home da me ma sister doctor no kokoma no just the next day and I make again say on ma me update or your voice note or say daddy I am okay a day just a day pet I am okay I can breathe the only thing say me feeling body pain joint pain me say cause no for aduro every day na my saying can you update me With less than a week pet, he was completely well. So the American say, men can say me will do better. No, it's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is medication na a woman will no. To me a woman abandoning you to more. Can you any problem? Oko China, Oko India, they don't play with their local medication. They don't. On the WHO for the area, most of the year, they say the crowd will show someone into one. You say, by organ hand, you better be or make my way. Huh? They say, some of my for you do and call other countries as well. Yeah, I think I say, but you do how about me, I don't know. They will not allow us. They won't. Did they make up a see and say, now me better what they be, but I wouldn't be a war gono, huh? When you gonorrhea na a young man for now, Berman, say more you crow, say more ideas, so what do so? Ya. Almost say I have some mucus regret to move free muba, or big you so you're not more just free muba, so when you will be said tea. I have been draw, and will be because my young man for baby, I saw more idea or more tongue. Corner of a pet and some fufu, a palm wine. And your palm wine there are fermenting. So when you palm wine, they are at the beginning, no first few days, you know, and a very sugary, very sweet bar. And swear to her, and sweet. I feel we are very observant and swear to her. And you know, when you palm wine, no, they are about first few days in a very sweet now. Now, what pen nunum, ordinary nunum, ya, see a picture any bill. No one person nunum sa, posa, naze, in Sobamua. That's what they say, palm wine now, we are be a best 1 liter. What they are good nunum opposite, so no one person in another see Wuso. Who see Wuswa? Nipana or Nasa go no. Over one small cup, a tea cup, no. On no pa, on no via, on no numere. On no 3 days pa, the go no a cock. But say, on no just 3 days pa, sa go no a cock. Now, what the auto I will say, what the auto I will say, I'll be before you, yet to me, then I'll be before you, then to me, and okay, because science for your Libby. I'll be before yen to me, mobile phone, because you need science for Libby. Or more scientists, or more books are university, you know, to walk back. A classroom, no, to almost science in a call, or to move any inventive BPR. But I have by young people and Casadia Maya, yet you won't be to me, woman. Why don't we use it? Yeah, some few years back, that's all be as all pay a 2 now you need to be a very bulletproof. You have 5 elemental herbs of cutting in the bomb. Now, for our event, I had to tell what I had to do. Who bought it to Dibaya or nobody before some few years back. Some few years back, I could say, Papa, apart from gonorrhea, what else? Yadiana a fat bema we are there. Say, Bema be the also do and Johnson and said that may be a fat bema piano. We are start into Kumuno, a palm wine, fresh one, as I know. What a bit on. Obviously, go over it again. If I see a so be or walk, go no way and young driver say for your cotton. While bet to me, I had a way, there's a 1 tear upon our gonorrhea. Because I know some people, they go a bit by the hole, like myself off. A bit by me, I did 10 years and quite. Or you had the 5 years, 7 years, go no and pop. There be another cause of the man that to pay on the red and white, to say, yellow, white, or no man. Still an uncle. And ya want you can now, remember, never be. Why you careful pa now? I open your prostate. Over compare and to come a palm wine, a fresh one, a very sweet. When you buy 1 liter, now open the new wet market. What was about Posa? Only any guns I have banned this way you fit. If I go to about rolling now, okay? And nunum, what they call a video which when you can hear, can say, and then okay? Oh, who come say a field and you're contaminated, okay? na wa posa ni nyina posa na enfe o posa na bo se nsuo bebam na wa ye quickly na pe na wo de nonum no wo de agu pamwa na se pamwa wo de mahwie agu ade mpa abi abu obi na nonum no wo na wa posa ni yie na wa sivu so wo sivu so a mani pa no 1 teacup anopa 1 teacup awia 1 teacup anwumere just only 3 days pe gono is gone. Wo yo ba na wo white tie the same method among for mo ba me ho mo white obi wa ne de ono aka the way tie na me bokura fono me ono aka so yo ba na o se dada the way ade ne tie o mo se me aka me yi me pint pa sent e ba me ho no e ya me su ka me ko be man chen sa de me ha che onya ko ye pa ta 3 days pe white is gone. Obviously, apart from palm wine, what else? But only palm wine, no. And if I get the ferment to do, and get the ferment, I don't know about bone. There be fresh one about first 2-3 days now. Very sweet, and no, the bay. When it will be all whiter, difficult partner, man, depending on idea. Obviously, can you blend the nunum? But I don't know what I know, no own blend it. But what is always me out, I bet Fikama. Now when they win a see so why the minimum I don't blend it not the percent. The American say you will know what some of us who call me them not a can chow no more bar. You are have any friend of Papa dear woo and even I will woo me say the other language friend Papa dear woo a idea I not up to Plomudi as some maybe and they are not up to Plomudi. Second job in a moja bar. O posasa awia wo papa dia wori bia na wo di so ma instantly na mo ja na twa woni ma champo o de na champo ya ko ye kuro ma champo e ho pa a champo a champo second twa obi mo ja na embasa e wonya posa champo woni ka kra bi so mu ape na mo ja na jai che oba ewu ebi ameke wa wo fie na wantini anko hospital na owo ye na no achira de no emma tie achira de no emma bo de ye sisi fije ko twa bo de no bi wo twa bia bo de haban no na wo twa ha ngo twa na nsuo bi firi mu ba fato wona oba na wo bu wo na achira de no ma no onjina bo de haban no so onjina so na penantam na huru ebe ye firi so ba say ayan tempa so a unya twa ha na wo de ehwehwe gya ka na ya mere na wo de ase ho nipa ni nyina so pa awode na ema no ebe fira basisi a abi before adura e wo no are you telling me say ye nim obi ewu tie obi ewu na ba bi owo no e bi a mochiri bi enu e de ba ko semu a ye twa a champon na ya posa bi na ye de gu na ye de funu na to so na ye bi agu so 3 good days na ni pa no hu na o ka za fe de wo fufuro me say and abam mi mu na me kekam za no me say en blue ho en blue ho obi a wawu wawu a say ya ma ko je fridge ma by 3 days no has e bon ye twa champon na ya posa bi na ya gu baranda so na ya de yefunu na to so na ya twa champon bi e de gu ni pa so 3-4 days to 5 days so be kono body no e fresh na enyanya hwe you telling me South Africa ye ni no ba was the body fridge ma ya na di pa wu na ye ne ya me ka tro see enru e wo ho na me de ha me ne say me ametwe say any emergency hospital me nko any emergency hospital me nko I won't go ba me nka say wo za o ba say wo betimi a try na say wo be pa bibiduro do obi onim na sua na wa nka kwa mo ba na ha de obi say pimples obi say any what about pimples me fa to onim so onim obi o pimples atie and now ba me mu me yi no go ba sa onim obi o pimples a onim account so Peter ekam na ye nkuruma kwan ya wo de tuma na ama na e draw no unye ekam ne kakra na wo de atu ejam tie wo de tu ejam na eye siria na wo ye ekam na wo ya mama na ye powder wo ya na ye powder na wo de nkuto shea butter na wo de ekam na fra anwumira wo dwa ye na abeda na wo de eyi powder na wo de afra nkuto no na wo de aye wanim ya acha best only 7 days but people sitting now will go. I mean, mama mi kaso kana me na pade me kata dodo. What are you talking about? Go to India. Or more science be what friend say Ayurveda. One special science a book only for local medication. Ayurvedic science. Local herbs ni biane sa nua yin no ya de say ade anko ya de bia wo na duro na won nature na wo say no ha yes when the WHO ni FDA ni normal bebrebe yes FDA is fine Ghana for emra so mu nimu a amanfo betiba kwatiti ene haban bia ya ade akunkrofo so yes say ye benya mra bi say de be ya before be ba about thing say ya ma o kan say tonuro na aban nim say woni bia wo ye nemum amanfo a already aban ma o mo kan say mo de mo haban mu nim die ti ba mo nya mo clinic o mo herbal clinics a o mo ye nduro ma FBA fo ko ya gitum say asumasi aduro ampa say etum say ade no sa nkrofo no they are still around today ntina aban enka o mo bom say mon try na mon develop aduro for COVID-19 Dendia. Obi say, what about chronic ear pains? Okay? So wasum. So was serious pains. Wasum one. Simple. Owako pe adwonwo, Tio adwonwo palm kernel oil no. Palm kernel oil. First is one na yeshe. Ayesha na wakata so mananjo adwo na wape takra wonya ayi or the saying on say enfoko omo fedes na yi wonya keto bia na wo de abobi wo de abo oil no na wo de asom enye very cold e tama emu ehika kra bi no na de bia so ba bia na ha de the ear pain will go. The ear pain will go. Ka woni mo bi a owo kokobo woni kokobo rectum no obi ha okọ toilet a na ne to na yi ade na se ho de timu yi na basa a hu a obi dwane obi se pompo ma menye pompo de ni ansa obi se pompo me ba cho pompo no se be kira mo se okay obetimi ayusu odi aba ordinary odi aba ya o ubetwi utwia na wo de nsa yesese pompo nza wo pese epaya na wo de atwa ho agya round na wo de nsa abo na da ka anu ho se ko ade be che no bo se na anu na hye ebe pai that's pompo for you unya odi aba na wase wo se a the paste no se wo pese pompo na ehweti a fire so nyina ade be che ni nyina na ahweti na ekọ but se wo pese epaya fire ho round na ba wo nsa ka bi se na fa bo anu se ade be che ho na de bo anu no na anu na hye anaupa ordinary blue ya you see no my blue sa pompo has the same thing for nso kaka ho na fa ya hwe pompo apai the American say nature our answer to every ailment ebinum yenim de yenim no aban ma kwan na amanfo yusu de yenim no aban ma kwan na amanfo enyusu ya woni mo bi a owo serious stomach pain anya stomach ulcer obi o serious stomach pain a tie stomach pain say bi woman o yema count den na hu de oyo hu ni sa pa mani pa nko pe anka orange ya ordinary orange baako bi abe me ensa 9 na onum ni nyina wi a onyina ba no baako 7 na or we are on Zoom, so I chow within 5 to 10 minutes, the pain is gone. Me say, Obia, or yam keka, and yes, stomach ulcer. So yam kekao, a kekao, I want a ya, and your stomach ulcer. Pe ankabi a 3 and now 4, binadi. Udi we are no way in a banner bako 7. Now worry, and you're a very bitter, but I won't rear. No one knows so. Now, how dear? Now, nature, me say, some of us, and then you go say, what do you be and you may use some of these things? We are making, we will be out of man who I wouldn't say at times. So, from mount all these directions are. We are a year Juma, no 2 ways about it. Now, make sure my dear be. Eye kokobuna meka no aye se piles a eye woto a rectum no etimu yi it all means all be da obi ha oja ne nan a na ne rectum no ne to akasa no na we na eyi a wo se wo de bibi cancer na kwakochim ameto na aduru wo mo se ko nkura ase a ye soja firewood and kasa so when the jari show na eja no ehia obo se ne to no obo se na nsuo bi ai no say brownish substance bi na epie free we ni bi eba dem make ho o soja ordinary firewood bi ehia na eya abesa obo hu se ne to no substance bi nsuo bi ai no say brown as a tea as a coffee bi na fi ho na eba sa nsuo na eba no so woni mo bi a oja na na rectum ne ba so hu se nsuo ne pa kona koye bi na fa gutuom ana etimba mountain no wo ya na wapi be da gutuom na wo de aye ba bi a nipa no ne rectum no wo no wo da fire se oja na na rectum ne betimi ayi ba bi mu a nature have all the answers to all the ailments in the world. But you're too puffed up, you're too arrogant, you're too proud. You're the end so science pet and got to that number can no move no kamikaze and fra. Oh no, why I so no ma na asia beja ya fufuro. And no na man for be. Okay? So they make a money say abusuafo ya di abai no. Hwe na anyaw aban se na mo bia bie. Hwe niye. Upia na wa hwe facial mask. Tembia horonsa o use hand sanitizers no ya de we enyanya wa yesi na aduro ni ho aya nkrofo tiga na ha o metimi aya hu bibi no ya mo ko mo nye ye twanya ama WHO4 e de aduro aba e de vaccine aba ansa na Ghana for so yatu ho na ho se si ye nura o mo si di pa nya o mo se 4012 zen 4000 enya se 12 I say the 22, the 21 now. And ya dear defum. The messer, one I would see me no. Messer, over to me, your one draw. Madame, you could see me back. Maybe for a grassy, me feel a grassy pie, you know. Somehow or the other, no, by nature's own arrangement, you know, we pass through some of these things. It's a better part of us. A better part of us. And yes, soon at the home. And then Yakupon had some kind of mystical understanding. And Yakani in the album. I will say, I obi ulcer, but your stomach ulcer. Dr. Fomo drew beer stone now. Stone now. Doing stomach ulcer, the best medication. The best medication for stomach ulcer. A cabbage. Cabbage yao. Ofa or no fana yi home. Obetimi na what you twa e dey blend them. No wa blend it. O blend it na pe garlic baako pe ketua bi pe na dey atum. Blend ni nyina fa fra. Na fa nsu gum fa si ho. So come do bia na wa sabi no wanom. So come do bia na wa sabi no wanom. Stomach ulcer will go. Yeah, they make a idea ayacho. A idea ya ache. And we've been giving this direction to people. It works like magic. And your medical nature have all the solutions to all the ailments in the world. Okay? Nature have all the answers to all the troubling questions in the world. But unfortunately, you're buying for this omon pet. Omon pet. Te abusia media kakra meni na machira mo no. Opa na wafa. Ofa ebetimi aboa. Ofa ebeboa, especially with the mum yam kika omo awurade a. Amanfo bi me kai say yemko for yan say I mean transformation for the o man obi daddy obi say yo wo che na ade no ye ya na ekọ. O say na dey ba ni say yes, nyame no. No man can ho say ni nyina ya duro. But unfortunately, and they too no. They too arrogant. Your pride they too much say. Yes, I did be a one nature will be an yes, see a pet. They penny say, I will often a question on my lab, but now I'm so many chemicals in your boom. Oh, no man, no assembly side effect, no, and only a pet. Now, more idea about why you who you say, or more on my pharmaceuticals, no way you do. Baby, almost free, say, among for nyare, na yenya duro mo. And until omuya duro ba ko de mawa. Aduro na wonnom be abi a wonnom amanasa wo osa na mawo no. The same aduro na so na e ma wo piles. And na piles na won a wonnom buru ni aduro a. Yes, wonnom piles na aduro de ba na e say create another sickness the amount. Do ba ko so num na e bedu ba bi no. Na wo body na fe na e reject nti aduro na your body ma so no aduro bi a won to bi o. And I think the best thing is to go to nature. Go to nature. Go to nature. Obi said, what's it name? Is it about, me who be? I'm going to see. Anyway, so the match, I just go and do it and see. But with this COVID-19, no, ubi a ohe is see ya test positive. Tie. So ubenya access to neem tree. Ubenya access to pawpaw leaf na make you. Best in air dry one. Ubenya access to acacia. Ubenya access to ginger, black pepper. Now the lime better me and say no twitchum na the busu no one no. One na eye hye afam tuma kuru ho. No put 5 to 10 minutes. We have 5 to 10 minutes in the other, so I was a little few. We are now what she be a good bucket to fuck bathroom. For Jared, we are men for power. We are not a couple back on one. You wait for only 3 days. If I was a covenant, let me tell who you are. The truth is say, nature has answers to all the troubling questions in the world. Mesra okoye sa nim tru no ye ade a mekire mu ho enya only COVID-19 ngu a o malaria bi a chew wonya some joints bi wonya some typhoid fever bi ni nyina go and do it no bi dware bi na puru bi na ade ma ho 1 week back you be fine. Obisi twi name of acacia ma acacia me ni twi ni o sa na mi se fe no acacia ya so yellow bi sa odo ni obi oni bia mu a obi na oni acacia o betimi a kire o e common oko be side or there e wo kwa no sa so we obi a woni bia from Kumasi a wo kwa oko sunyan no wo duru ayi they say mankraso janche hokon wo bo se bia na wo kwa no bebebe no e acacia no why e acacia me pa cho obi stomach pain so obi e wo stomach pain na the obey say obe pa anka e bia 3 4 na wadi anu munsuo ni nyina wo wi a bomode na yi anka na ba na baako 7 woni 7 na wawe wo wi a na wanu nsuo de agu so acha 5 minutes pesa yam kika no off mesro abi before you waduro nyame na dia ma nature dia try na yenhwe se nature betumi asa yade a yes ade e to sa ade ewu me se wo hwe me na wo sa ade bi aye se ba bi a wo so wo fi se wontini enya sa ha ma ha ba na be bo ni na every 3 to 4 hours bia no now for ginger no man wear the skin in free hole just for hook can a feeling free home no what you chat to say every 3 to 4 hours no now the back what to no worry or repair no one who saw the abuso and one no obi say asthma but your asthma home or my asthma that asthma over pet pure honey say be a 1 liter excuse me 1 liter and say be a half liter no per garlic back 7 utwa ha na watwa ha na de atum utwa ha na watwa ha na de atum to de 7 ni nyina gumu a nipa na o asthma no oso na pa ewo no na wa hwe kakra bi de agu ni nsa right na wa tafre on no wa atre so o de begu ni nsam na wa tafre obi o wa asthma the asthma will go what I say the best am say my ade the match is at 5:30 there yakasa almost 2 hours no the busia me mama see so no prayer so top and yempa see why but the match we go and do it but say yem paying for no mutie ya nanado the patrol say idea if you happen to watch this video I don't know how possible it is but if you happen to watch this video what I'm saying is government of Ghana through FDA and the Ministry of Health ya gentrophobia to more almost say gentrophobia you know they are capable of producing herbal medication by mo krata or mo ye herbal clinics for Ghana ha there be a who or more your advert with TV so radio so gentrophobia more herbal clinics FDA for mo kwan ya o mo ye duro enuru ahudo bebebe ya o mo de badwa so beton ayetobi eno. So what it means is say aban nim say ankrofo no woni die e wo haban mu. Tenanado dey nti na say ankrofo no won fra omo. Na won kan tro omo say yade ya bai. Yes, ye twen say amrofo no benya aduru aba. Na emu so no ya ma mo kwan ya mutumi haban no ebi say mu woni die no. Te mo nkeka no mo say benya bibi dia ba. Na ya mfa process no mu hwa ade say betimi akio yade na. Na mesra wo yes a. Na Ghana timi aduru e betimi akio COVID-19 na abeka wa achievements mo saya de we ya be e ba be kan ho se ne esi ba ya dada enya nkoye no e be tra ye ho ache pa de ya hwe de ya mpa ya no aduru a ebetimi de atu ase na ye se ye twen sa aborofo no enkonko ya aduru mra na ye bebre de mesrew se me video if you happen to see this video please allow the herbal doctors in Ghana to try their best. There is no harm in trying. So I'm not trying no one to me and yeah, Drubia, no problem already. We are waiting for the WHO. But I don't know what to be big back. Net to me, it's more testament from when you've been on motor one. Nana, I remember guy in your team. So young got on Timpo and now from my swear. Ghana for a baby at the end. Never by a four, meet me to be a normal motor. Say, that's a pandemic in Tina as a BBA free no. From best 2021 go in a yadiano. Still na virus mo nko fo nchen a ye ne na mu no e won do be ba ne bo be de won dimi do ti me se nana se o ti me be video we ya e pa o chow fa kwa adwinfim na no mpa yifo nwe hu se wo ya akura bi se o ma me Esther woda I know because who was more than 70 years and 7 years ago Ghana hana akura bi esa no who sare mi zanya hwe no wo de body to twitwe o se any bidie. All these things, you know, ebia we have been to know, at least one idea. Please, let us give this our herbal doctors the chance. So they should go and bring something. Or more the banner say idea betimia it must go through the good chini all the system now can in a move. They use and pass a bit to me. Say on the bit to me, you ever saw Ghana for your problem. But as I say what see in your count. Na unsusu ye pa bia wo magana na Nyankopon mo na otumi ye mani na ebrem eda wase abusuafo medam ase se monya be na mahwe ye de ma kirem kakra no obetimi a ewia go back and watch this video and now go to YouTube you back to YouTube our transformation era go and subscribe to our page there call na kofa notebook adura me kire nyina obetimi atwoli nyina fa to ho ebetimi aboa wo medam ase Nyankopon ka mo ho de be buso ni ansan Nyankopon ebabu bye bye.